The U.S. Army's transition to the new XM7 service rifle and XM250 automatic rifle, both firing 6.8mm caliber bullets, is a significant shift from the current 5.56mm ammunition used by the M4 carbine. This change addresses concerns about the 5.56mm round's effectiveness against modern body armor and its performance at longer ranges. The new 6.8mm round is expected to offer a balance between the smaller 5.56mm and the larger 7.62mm NATO rounds, providing enhanced lethality and the ability to penetrate advanced body armor at medium to long ranges. The Army's decision is informed by combat experiences and the evolving needs of modern warfare. The 6.8mm round's increased size and higher velocity are designed to overcome the limitations of the 5.56mm bullet, particularly its inability to defeat level 2 and 3 body armors that adversaries may use. The new ammunition aims to restore the U.S. Army's dominance on the battlefield by ensuring that its small arms systems can effectively neutralize threats, even those with increased protection. While the new rifles and ammunition are currently undergoing testing, the Army's leadership is confident in their potential to significantly improve soldiers' combat capabilities. The XM7 and XM250, with their 6.8mm rounds, are poised to provide the necessary firepower to take on modern body armor and maintain the U.S. Army's competitive edge in future conflicts. However, this advancement comes with trade-offs. The XM7 is indeed heavier than the M4, which it is set to replace for some soldiers. This increase in weight could impact soldier endurance and mobility. The higher recoil of the XM7, while noted as controllable, may require additional training for soldiers to handle effectively. The ongoing debate over the optimal caliber size for military rifles is complex, balancing factors like weapon weight, recoil, and ballistic performance. The 6.8mm round of the XM7 sits between the traditional 5.56mm and 7.62mm rounds, potentially offering a middle ground that could provide the lethality needed against adversaries with advanced body armor without the heavier recoil of larger rounds. As with any new military technology, extensive testing and field experience will be crucial in determining whether the XM7 and its 6.8mm ammunition can meet the demands of modern warfare. The military's rigorous refinement process aims to ensure that the new rifle can deliver the necessary performance on the battlefield, with considerations for both effectiveness and soldier usability. The true test will be how these weapons perform in actual combat scenarios, and whether they can provide a tactical advantage without compromising soldier performance.